Shine it on her like this. Okay, this is Justine and she's drunk.
Wait, are you taking a fucking movie? A movie?
No, Justine,
No.
we're taking a picture.
I see that red light, dude.
How many have you had? Tell everybody.
Like a lot.
Like how many?
Like, I don't know, 5 or 6.
Hey, there's our dog. And this is what she's been drinking, apples and...
Vodka. I was drinking a lot of strawberries, but now I'm on to the apples. They're pretty good. And don't forget the...
Try to take...
And your mom tried to make me eat butter that was 6 inches long. I think she told me it was an oyster. It looked like a banana slug. It was disgusting.
Banana slug?
And this is gonna be like Blair Witch Project. They're in the trees. They're everywhere.
So does it burn, Justine?
No, it's good.
What is the apple juice?
Apple juice.
What the apple juice? What does the apples do?
Makes it mellow. Brandy, if you show me this in the morning, I'm gonna be pissed.
What do the apples do? They take the away?
Take the out of it. Hey, you should try one of these apples. They're good.
Mom, can I try one?
No.
I've been asking.
No.
How old is she? Like 17?
14?
Oh shit. No. No. How old are you, Zoe?
14.
No.
No, she's 21.
Alright, quit making a movie of me now.
Okay,
Seriously.
we're done.
Like,
Say bye.
bye.